Hey guys, for today's video, samahan niyo ako sa Dingkwakwa. Let's go! First stop, ito yung mga siomai nila guys, and more. And here, ito naman yung mga main dishes nila. Look at that, ang dami. Meron silang fried chicken, bihon, and madami pa guys. Look at that, ang sasarap nila lahat. And this area naman guys, ito yung pork nila na masarap din. Look at that, grabe. And this area naman guys, may lumpia Shanghai and ube buchi. Ang sarap neto. Welcome to Dingkwakwa here in G Mall, Cebu. They also have desserts here. Meron silang coffee jelly. Look at that. And maha. And the fruit salad guys, grabe ang sarap. This area naman guys, yung beverage nila. And this is my favorite part, the Unli milk tea. Tikman na natin guys yung mga kinuha kong foods. Let's go! Let's try the siomai. Ang sarap din neto. Lalo na yung sauce guys. Yummy! And add some rice. And try natin yung pork. Ang sarap din neto guys. Lambot. And the chicken, super sarap din. Lahat naman dito masarap. Basta Chinese food. And itong purple one, ang lambot niya guys. I love it. And super favorite ko tong ubi buchi na to. Masarap din guys. Grabe. Sulit yung 549 per head dito. And mag-dessert na tayo guys. Masarap din to yung coffee jelly nila guys. Promise. Try nyo. I love it. Ito yung maha nila guys. Masarap din. Promise. Lahat ng desserts, I love it. This is the exciting part, unlimited milk tea. Grabe, 'di ba? Masarap din yung pearls nila, guys. Definitely a cheat day for me. So yun lang guys. That's it. That's all for today's video. See you on my next one. Bye!